Hi guys, welcome back to this vlog. This vlog is very unplanned. I just took short videos of the day or whatever we were doing, so I decided to put it up on YouTube. Bae's going to be very mad at me, but I mean so this is like the unfinished place. This is the day that we got the keys to the place, and the next day we went for the shopping for the stuff for the place. So I'm showing you guys. It's just a 2-bedroom apartment, a very small one for him. So yeah, basically yeah, I'm excited. So this is the other room that I'm showing you guys. So I'm not going to be talking throughout the video, so maybe just snippets just for you guys to see. Okay, so let's do this. Yeah, so we're driving past this place and we saw that they sold furniture here, so we stopped by to go have a look. So this is what we've been looking for a long time. So we're contemplating between blue and black, but eventually we chose black. Okay, so Babe has this idea of not liking a bed frame, so he wanted to create some rustic. He's into those natural tones, natural feels, but he wanted this rustic sort of slab bed. I'll put a picture up for you guys to see the kind of bed that he wanted, and we eventually did. So, and we met my cousin, my only boy cousin in the whole world, and I introduced him to me. It was a funny moment.
I like this moment.
Okay, so we just arrived. Bae is downstairs trying to sort out the drivers. So it's time for me to do my magic. So I don't know if you guys can guess where what is going. You know, the rooms, we've not gotten everything yet, but I mean we are still on it. So there's no TV, everything is set except the TV. So let's see how it goes. So as I said, this was very unplanned. So we have a lot to do. See you guys later.